my friends, how are you? I'm gonna prepare a little something to eat. This is not dinner, okay? This is like a little hors d'oeuvres. Is you have a can of smoked oysters, okay? Put the can of the smoked oysters in a little plate. Then use some jugo Maggi. And you put it enough jugo Maggi for the flavor. Then you can put a little bit of Cholula. A little bit of Cholula. And you squeeze a lemon on. And you eat it with salty crackers and cheese. And oh my God, such a good, delicious order. Okay, I will see you soon. And this is how it looks. Once you put the cheese, the salty crack, the cheese, and the oyster. And it's a really yummy snack for a middle day. You know, when you are a little hungry but you don't want to eat too much. That's very good. And of course, with a nice glass of wine. See you next time. Ok, estos son para ostiones ahumados con queso y galletitas saladas con un rico vinillo. Como snack. Nos vemos. Bye. Super, super good.